am Kelly, Queen Bee Mixology, and I'm here with my sidekick, Cindy.
Hey.
And we are going to make a really cool cocktail for you today. And what is it called?
The Kingston Club. Very fancy.
Yes. I love martinis, and so I'm going to make this and I'm going to serve it up. But also, this would be a great cocktail on the rocks. So we'll make it both ways.
I love it. Both ways.
Today's cocktail, we're going to use Drambuie, which is it's kind of like a scotch. So,
but it's got some herbs in it, right?
It does.
Herbs and spices.
Herbs and spices.
Yeah.
Yes. And then also, we're going to add to that Fernet Branca, which is a Italian Amaro, kind of like a Campari or an Aperol, but it's also bitter, sweet, and herbaceous and spicy.
Herbaceous.
Now we're gonna mix it with pineapple juice, which will kind of balance the two out.
We're gonna start with 1.5 ounces of Drambuie.
Oh, awesome.
In a shaker, because we like to shake it up around here. And then 1.5 of the pineapple. And then we do half a lime.
Half a lime. Look at all that juice.
I do like the smell of the Drambuie.
I do too. And
got a good
I
smell.
am not a scotch drinker,
Yeah.
so I was kind of surprised about that myself.
I like that.
All right.
All right, and now the Fernet.
Oh, okay.
I think it's a teaspoon, yeah?
We're gonna do a teaspoon of the Fernet, and I'm gonna do, a teaspoon is usually about a half a capful. So we're gonna do a half a capful of the Fernet.
We're here to teach you new things.
There you go. Did you know that Fernet is a great hangover cure?
No.
And usually it's drunk at the end of a meal because it helps with digestion. So
Just straight up?
just straight up. Interested in trying? I don't
All right,
know.
here.
You can smell the spices.
Does she really carry a shot glass in her pocket? When you work with her, you do.
What do you think?
Ooh, it's got like it's very minty-ish.
You know, I kind of smelled that. I wonder if that's from
Fascinating.
Yeah.
I could see why you would drink that after dinner.
Help with the digestion.
Oh, I was thinking of like minty breath, but
Oh.
you know, it's not too bad.
Anyways,
All right.
all right. So what do we have next?
Did we do our lime? And we
did
did
our lime.
our Fernet?
We did.
Then we do our bitters.
Okay.
3 dashes.
3 dashes of bitters.
Yeah.
There we go.
And that's it. Now you just shake, 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 Sonora. Shake your body
Shake,
line.
shake, shake. Where's our
Can't
music?
sing anymore because of copyrighting time. All right.
Alrighty.
So you want to do yours
In a
in a
martini
beautiful little martini
glass.
Ooh.
And we're gonna garnish it with an orange. There you go, the Kingston Club using Fernet and Drambuie.
Our new old favorite.
Cheers. Oh, I like that.
Oh, that's
Very
special.
surprising and Queen Bee approved.
Absolutely.